The Lenovo Legion 5i Gen 10 might just be the best gaming laptop under $1,500. But is it actually worth your money? Let's test it fast. First, performance is seriously impressive. With up to an Intel Core Ultra 9 and RTX 5070 Ti graphics, this thing absolutely flies. In gaming tests, it's beating a lot of laptops in its class, and Lenovo's cooling keeps things smooth without sounding like a jet engine, unless you crank it to extreme mode. But the real star here? That 16-inch 2.5K OLED display. Deep blacks, punchy colors, up to 240 Hz refresh rate. It looks incredible for gaming and content creation. Honestly, OLED at this price is rare. Build quality is solid too. Clean stealth black design, sturdy lid, and Lenovo's keyboard is still one of the best for gaming laptops. Comfortable, responsive, and RGB lit. Now, the downsides. Battery life is rough. You're getting maybe 3 to 5 hours for normal use, and around 90 minutes gaming unplugged. It also gets pretty warm under load, and weirdly, there's no fingerprint reader or Windows Hello. So, worth it? If you want raw performance and that gorgeous OLED screen, absolutely. Just don't expect all-day battery life.